to my channel. If today is your first time of stopping by, please subscribe to my channel, share my videos with your friends, like, comment, very important for me. And so today we are going to be making coconut rice. If you want to know how I achieved that delicious plate of coconut rice you see on my thumbnail, follow me. Let's go. These are what we need for this coconut rice. We have fresh pepper, ginger, we have onion, we have yellow pepper, we have the green pepper. I like the flavor and also the color combined together. We have the basilico leaves for flavor, we have the curry, we have garlic, we have verdura, all-purpose seasoning, we have shrimps, fresh shrimps, we have crayfish, we have cube seasoning, we have the coconut milk. I could not get the fresh coconut, so this is equally good. That's the rice. So these are all the ingredients put together. Here is the parboiled rice. I've already washed it. So here's the coconut milk. Ooh. So here are all the ingredients put together, the diced. Oh, I forgot to mention vegetable oil. So now I'm adding the vegetable oil. Allow it to heat for a while. Then you add the diced onions, ginger and garlic. Allow it to fry for a while, but don't allow it to burn. So you add every other ingredient you have together, the seasoning. I've already added crayfish, but I did not video that place. So you stir, allow it to boil, allow it to fry for some time. Then you add the coconut milk, then stir again. So at this point the coconut milk was too thick for me. Then I added water, enough for the rice to boil. The water that will be enough for the rice to cook. So now I've added the rice, but I did not video where I oh my god, what am I doing? So I'm very sorry for that, but as you can see, I've added the rice to the coconut milk already, so now it is ready to cook. So you stir, make sure that the coconut milk is enough to cook the rice. Then you add 10 minutes later, you add the shrimps, allow it to cook. Then here, it's done.